crochet friends, how do you do? I have a new English tutorial for you, step by step. So easy as usual. This week I prepare something new for you, not only fashion, not only sweaters, but this time something very useful for your bathroom. Okay. In this way, your bathroom will be always perfectly clean. You just need a kitchen sponge like that, simple kitchen sponge, and then I will teach you how to crochet a cover to make this simple sponge more beautiful for your bathroom. Please forget this because the solution now is this one. Okay, so I'm showing you my soap holder. You see, my soap holder is made of a simple sponge and this crochet cover, which I did for the sponge to be prettier, we can say. So I can remove my sponge from the cover when I have to wash to clean my cover, and this is the simple sponge. This will be very useful to keep my my soap always dried. But anyway, with my crochet cover, you see how beautiful my sponge is. And this is my crochet soap holder. Okay, slip note to start. And now chain so many times you need for the width of your sponge. In my case, 15 chains are enough. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do so many chains you need for the size of your sponge. The only important thing is that it must be an odd number. Now, additional chain 2 into the first chain from the hook, double crochet 1, and now double crochet 1 in each one of the next chains till you get to the end of this row. Totally you get 15 double crochet. Double crochet number 15 into the chain number 15 below. That's the end of the first row. This pattern is the repetition of row 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 till you get to the end of this pattern. So the next row will be the net stitch. So chain 2, which takes the place of the first double crochet. Turn your work and now additional chain 1 for separation. Yarn over, skip the next stitch into the next one, double crochet 1, chain 1, repeat, yarn over, skip the next stitch, into the next one, double crochet 1, chain 1. Continue till you get to the end of this row. Last double crochet into the last stitch, which is a chain. Next row is the repetition of row 1. Chain 2 as replacement of first double crochet, turn your work, and now 1 double crochet in each one of the stitches below, including all the chains. At the end of this row, 1 double crochet into the first chain and 1 double crochet into the next one. Ready for the next row, chain 3 and turn, and now repeat row number 2. Ten rows are enough to cover the base of my sponge, and now without cutting the yarn directly from here, chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet 2 corresponding to each row below. Start with 1 and 2 into the first row, 3 and 4 into the second row, and so on all the way around. Get to the end of the first edge, and you have to turn into the same stitch, the last one more single crochet so that you can turn, and now continue with 1 double crochet in each one of the stitches below. Every time you have to turn, you have to do 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Single crochet all the way around into the last stitch, 2 single crochet, and now slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round. Second round, chain 1, and now 1 single crochet in each one of the stitches below, but going with your crochet hook only into the back loop of each stitch. In this way, you see every stitch has 2 loops, 1 and 2. You have to go into the back loop only and single crochet all the way around. You don't need to increase at each corner as I did by previous round, but just single crochet one in each one of the stitches below. Now you see I'm quite to the end of this edge. I don't need to increase, but just single crochet one in each stitch all the way around. At the end of this row, slip stitch to join into the first single crochet. Now chain one and one single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Totally I did 7 rows. Next row, chain 1, enter the very first stitch and single crochet 1. Chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches into the next one, repeat. Single crochet 1, chain 1, skip 2 stitches into the next one, repeat. Single crochet 1, chain 1. Repeat that all the way around. At the end of this row, chain 1, skip the last 2 stitches and slip stitch to join into the first single crochet. Next round, chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and single crochet 1, chain 2, into the next chain 1 space, single crochet 1, chain 2, into the next chain 1 space, single crochet 1, chain 2, and repeat all the way around. At the end of this round, chain 2 and slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round. That's all for the moment. So you can close your work, fasten the yarn off in this way. That's all for the moment. Okay, so now you can put your sponge inside this cover. My cover fits perfectly to, you see, to the size of my sponge. Okay, so my sponge is perfectly covered. Now I can put my soap over the sponge, on the sponge, and that's all for the moment. However, if you want to create this shell decoration, please continue watching this video. And now the final border with a new yarn slip knot to start. Now I put my hook into the loop I left. Do you remember when I did the first round of single crochet, I put my hook in the back loop only, and now I have all these stitches. I have to put my hook in one of these stitches in one point. It doesn't matter where, and slip stitch to join the new yarn. Like that. I'm ready now to start the border. And okay, chain 1 from here to start the new border. Enter the same very first stitch and single crochet 1. Okay, now from here chain 1, skip the next stitch into the next one, skip this into the next one, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and into the same stitch double crochet 1 once again, chain 1, skip the next stitch into the next one, single crochet 1. That's the shell you have to repeat all the way around. At the end of this row, slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round. Directly from here for the last final round, into the chain 1 space, 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet into the double crochet below, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 double crochet again into the same space, 1/2 double crochet into the double crochet below, 1 single crochet into the chain below, and slip stitch to finish into the single crochet below. Repeat all the way around. And our sponge cover is completed. And you see my soap holder is ready.